What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to another video on Hashflow or HFT, which is the token of Hashflow. Which I wanted to cover today because we will take a look at the price, but I will also talk about the project. This will not be a project review. I did that yesterday. If you want to check that out, if you want to know what Hashflow is, if it has any potential, check that out. But in this video, I wanted to talk about the token release because they released it today. This is the 1 minute time frame on KuCoin. Immediately, let me check my Discord because there you can actually, in the Discord, we've been discussing it. So make sure to join that if you're interested in that. But you can also see where it got listed. I mean, it got listings on Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, almost all the big ones. So big listings, but we dropped down significantly, and there's a major reason for that. All right, I saw a lot of people saying that it's that it's a scam or a rug pull, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video. I don't think it's a rug pull. I don't think it's a scam, guys. Hashflow, to kind of say it quickly, it's a decentralized exchange, right? So you can just swap tokens there. Which is amazing, but you can just swap tokens there, excuse me, and it works a little bit different from other decentralized exchanges in that the liquidity pools are not managed by an automated protocol, but they're managed by real market makers, like professional market makers. So in that, it's a little bit less decentralized than a decentralized exchange. But it has some very good benefits as well, like low slippage, and you just get a quote, and that is really what you get. While on the decentralized exchange, that could vary, and it has a lot of volatility. So it has potential, definitely has. But to be honest, the main thing we fell, and on CoinMarketCap it shows that they actually started with a listing price of $2.50. $2.50 would be a valuation of like almost 500 million in market cap. Come on, it's a new exchange. It's not worth that much. It was just too high of a listing price. Sometimes tokens do that. It's not a smart move because now you have damaged your reputation and your trust. But some tokens do that. They just start with a high listing price, and in the end, price is demand and supply, and the demand was just not that high. I think right now we're at a 200 million market cap. I still think that's relatively high for a token like this. I think yesterday in the review I said that it would probably start at 100 or 200, and then we could actually grow to 500 at least in a bull market, because I do think it's a great project. But big drop after launch because the listing price was too high. Now, a lot of other people are saying that it's been manipulated, and that now the team is selling all their tokens. That's also just simply not true. And to be honest, I mean, you should ask yourself: is it really logical that Hashflow gets listed on major exchanges that do a lot of research, like Binance and Coinbase especially? That they have mechanics that allow something like this? No. The listing price was just a dumb move, I think, and that damaged their reputation. But you can also see in their tokenomics, both the tokens for the team and the investors, which is together 40% of the total supply, they're both vested at a 1-year cliff. Both are. So a 1-year cliff means it's first year in this case, they don't get any tokens. And then afterwards, they'll get 25%, and then 75% linear monthly vesting over the 3 to 5 years afterwards. So yeah, long term there's a lot of inflation in the price, but short term they're not dumping coins. So as for the price, we cannot say a lot. I think we'll continue dropping. If we manage to get above 1.2, we could actually have some sort of a rally. But as I said, I mean, it's very hard to analyze when a token has just launched. So I more so wanted to give you my input on what's happening with HFT. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, have a great evening, and bye.